Alright, so this is what we're doing today. We got these LED or HID to LED conversion from Alla lighting. I'm putting this in the 2009 Acura TL. So that's what I got so far. Took bumper off. Got one headlight out. You take the headlight out. You're gonna have one screw right here, one screw right here. You're gonna have a screw right here, and then one that connects to the fender, and that's the screws that are holding the headlight in. And when you take them off, you're just gonna unhook all your headlights, and pretty easy. I'll be back when I start taking the other side off. All right, same thing. Got this side off. Now we're gonna open up the alla lighting kit. We're gonna open up the kit and see what we got inside. I'm gonna unbox these right quick and then show what they got. So that's what it look like when you open up the kit. Just pretty much two wires. We're gonna splice into the section right before the ballast. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. So this right here is gonna be the ballast wire. All we're gonna do is strip this back, T-tap into it, and pretty much we're done. Start installing. So I'm gonna get to it. So that's what we got so far. This is what it's supposed to look like. We're gonna tap in right here. The other wire from here is gonna go inside there. Let's see if we can grab one of these. So essentially, this is what it should look like, folks. We're gonna put these two wires in there. Get these in there, splice it in, and then everything should be good. And then we just gotta fit the bulb in to the headlight housing. So that's what we'll do next when I come back. Let me show you what it looked like when you're taking the bulb out. So this is your headlight house assembly. Right here, you're gonna have these two clips. All you gotta do is reach in. See if I can do this in one hand. Hold on. Alright, so that's what it looked like. Flip up the two latches, and your bulb will come right out. So I got it wired up. This is what it looked like. The pigtails are in. It's spliced in. The LED's on. We're gonna test this, see if it works. Come around here. Put on. And what's that? That's a nice bright LED. Fans are working. This little fan in there spinning. So I'm gonna get this put into the assembly and then I'll show you what it look like. I'll be back. A little mock-up. Alright, so got everything in. We'll do one last test. See how it looks. Oh yeah. Sun's out and it's still pretty bright. Before I ain't get no output whatsoever, so this should be way better. I'll show y'all my DRLs. A lot of people be asking about them DRLs because they nasty. Let's see. Yep. We got the golds. So I'm gonna get this side cracking, and then once I get everything buttoned up, I'll show y'all what it look like. Alright, so that's what the lights look like. At nighttime I'll show you how bright they are. I don't even know how bright they are. But all done. More installs coming soon.